Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the four-stroke internal combustion engine. So what we have here is an illustration of the basic four-stroke internal combustion engine. Up top is our cylinder head, then our cylinder, and our crankcase. Located in the cylinder head is our spark plug, our intake valve, and our exhaust valve. Moving down in our cylinder head, or our cylinder wall, is our piston. Moving further down is our crankcase. Inside the crankcase is our crankshaft. Now connecting the piston to the crankshaft is our connecting rod. So, as the crankshaft spins, our piston will move up and down. This gives us our four strokes. Our first stroke is the intake stroke. Second stroke is the compression stroke. Third is the power stroke. And the fourth is our exhaust stroke. Now, let's take a further look into the intake stroke. So, here we have the intake stroke. Now, during the intake stroke, our intake valve is open. This allows air-fuel mixture to enter the combustion chamber. As the crankshaft turns, it moves the piston down. This creates a vacuum inside a combustion chamber, which in turn draws in air-fuel mixture. So now, let's take a look at the compression stroke. So now we have the compression stroke. During the compression stroke, both our intake and exhaust valve are closed again. As the crankshaft rotates further, it moves the piston up, therefore compressing the air-fuel mixture to the necessary pressure needed for combustion. So now, let's take a look at the power stroke. So here we have the power stroke. During the power stroke, both our valves are still closed. This is where we actually see the spark occur. The spark sets off the air-fuel mixture that was compressed during the compression stroke, which creates an explosion, or better correctly, a controlled burn. Now, this controlled burn causes downward force, which moves the piston downward, which in turn spins our crankshaft. During the power stroke, we get our power to push the crankshaft through all of our next strokes. So now let's take a look at the exhaust stroke. So now we have our final stroke, the exhaust stroke. As you can see, our exhaust port, or exhaust valve, is now open. Our crankshaft is now moving under power due to our power stroke. This rotation moves the piston upward through our cylinder, which in turn forces our exhaust gases out through the exhaust port. And that is the final stroke of the internal combustion engine. So there you have it, the basics of a four-stroke internal combustion engine. Thank you.